Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to delete the browsing history on all Android phones, okay? First of all, let's do this, and it's going to be a little bit different depending if you're using like Google Chrome or IE or Mozilla FireFox. The navigation is a little bit different procedure, but however, let me just show you. Right here I have a Galaxy S5 and a Galaxy S4. So let's go ahead and remove the internet browsing history off Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome here, and I'm also going to click on Google Chrome here as well. And you can see I have Google Chrome now open up on both of them. Now for the S5, you have to go in the top right hand corner and click on the three dots. And then what you are always looking for, you're either looking for history or settings. Some of them will have both, like the S5 here has history and settings. And if I click in the Galaxy S4, there's no top three buttons in the top right hand corner, so what I have to do is click on the menu button. All right, the menu button is, depending on what phone you have, it could be on the right side instead of the left side. So from here, the only thing I see history and I see settings on here as well. So what I do is I'll click on history because history is the one it is. I'll click on history. Oops. Let me go back to history in here again. Okay, so I'm using Google Chrome on both of these. To get there, I had to click on the top three buttons up here. For the S5, but the S4 I had to click on the menu button over here. So then from here what you can simply do is you can delete each one individually, or if you want to clear them all at once, what you simply do is just check down here, it says clear browsing data, just click that, and then you have the options here, just like same thing over here. You can you have several things you can do: clear history, clear cache, you can clear the cookies. If you just want the clear the history, you just simply hit on clear and then you're done. If I go back, the history is gone. Now let's take a look at like Internet Explorer, okay? For instance, let's go to Internet Explorer, and then let me show you this phone here as well. This is a Sony Xperia Z3, and let's go to, I don't know, let's go to Google Chrome in this one first, okay? So here's Google Chrome, and it's the same thing as the S5. Basically, you just click on the top right hand corner, the three dots, and you can see you can go down to history. Click on history, and it's the same thing as here as well. You can select each one that you want to delete one by one. You just click on the X, or if you want to clear everything at once, you just simply click down here where it says clear data or clear browsing data. Now let's go back here now, okay? So there's Internet Explorer. Oops, let me go back in here. Let me go to Internet Explorer on here as well, Internet Explorer. Now Internet Explorer is going to be like a little bit different, okay, in regards to the navigation. So for instance, okay, so my S5 here, I have Internet Explorer. I'm going to clear the browsing history. I'm going to top right hand corner, I'm going to click on those three dots again. Now from here, remember in Google Chrome we went to history. There is no history on this one, but there is a settings, so click on settings. And the same thing here, I have to click on the S4, I have to click on the menu button, and I look for settings. And then where you want to go next is a privacy. And then you click on your privacy. Some of them might say, depending on your phone and your version with IE2, it might say like privacy and security or something like that. But you can just simply click on the privacy. And then you see this down here, it says delete personal data, delete personal data. Simply just click on that, and then you have the options of deleting your browsing history and any other things as well. Now let's move on to here on the Sony Xperia. An Android phone as well. Like let's do I don't know, let's do Mozilla FireFox. Okay, here's Mozilla FireFox. Top right hand corner, you see the three dots? Click it. Now we're looking for settings, or we're looking for history. Some of them might have both. This one only has settings in here, so obviously it has to be in the settings to clear the browsing history. And then we look for privacy. Here's privacy. And then it says down here, it says clear now. Click on clear now, and you select the one that you want, and then you click on clear data. Let's look at this one here. This is a Huawei Honor 3X. Like let's go into I don't know, let's go into Google Chrome, okay? Google Chrome is up, and there's no three dots up here, right? So you have to click on the menu button, and depending on the phone, like this phone here, the menu button is right here. So I'm going to click on that. Now I'm going to look for either history or setting. This one has both history and settings, so I have to pick which one it actually is. So let me just click on history. Okay, great. You know that this is the one that has the history in it, but let's do this. Let me just click on settings and see what's in there. And if you click on privacy here, see here there's no options to delete your internet browsing history. So let me go back to this again, and I know that it's going to be history now, right? Let me go back, click on the menu, and it should be under history. And then here you go, I can select one individually, then I can go ahead and clear everything at once, clear browsing data, and I can select the browsing data from here. So that's pretty much the gist of it. If you pretty much got a handle on these Android phones, you can pretty much, you'll know how to clear any Android phone. If you guys have questions or anything, just comment in the bottom, any thumbs up, and if you subscribe, that'd be great too. Thanks guys, bye.